Yep, I know they crooked, but baby, we ain't doing braces today. We doing teeth whitening. Okay, so what's up, everybody? I just received my tooth whitening kit from my smile, y'all. So this tooth whitening kit has all of the instructions on the box for you. It also lists all the products. These are the products that is in the box right here. So let's get into it, y'all. So it comes with teeth whitening strips as well as a warranty card. It also comes with a card, y'all, that shows you the shades of your teeth. And it also comes with the light, the UV light. So let's get into it. I'm finna show y'all step by step how I did this and what happened. So you have a top strip and you have a bottom strip. So the lower strip is the bottom strip, y'all. You just put it on the bottom of your teeth, and then there's a top strip. You do the same thing for both of those. Now look, let me tell you something. I need braces. Baby, my teeth is not all straight. They crooked or whatever, but today we just worried about them trying to get a little white, okay? Okay. So, like I said, you just put the strips on the top and the bottom of your teeth. You just line it up as accurately as you can. And after you do that, you have to use the UV light, y'all. Put the UV light onto into your mouth and let it sit. So one thing I do like about this tooth whitening kit is I chose to do the strips instead of the liquid or the gel. It's like really messy to me. So this turned out to be good. Here are the results afterwards. Y'all go shop with my smile and get those teeth white. All right, bye.